Second one, organizing. Coordinating activities and resources. Organizing can be defined as the process by which the established plans are moved closer to realization. Organizing involves determining how activities and resources are to be assembled and coordinated. It involves establishing an intentional structure of roles for people to fill in the organization. It is intentional in the sense of making sure that all the tasks necessary to accomplish goals are assigned to people who can do the best. Second point is to create an environment for the best human performance. It is intentional in the sense of making sure that all the tasks necessary to accomplish goals are assigned to people who can do the best. Third one is filling and keeping filled the positions in the organization structure. This can be done by determining the positions to be filled, identifying the requirement of manpower, filling the vacancies and training employees so that the assigned tasks are accomplished effectively and efficiently. If this video is useful to gain knowledge, please subscribe the channel for more, and click the bell icon.